to work with the devil today, boy.
Hello?
Feel the flame.
Turn right onto East Las Olas Boulevard.
Yeah. Nice, they're sitting in the P-trap there, I'm assuming.
Put Drano in them or something?
Certification what is the liquid, but I have the picture. He say the
Una noche caliente, una cena romántica.
Put your hand on the Bible. Swear to God you walked on the moon. I want you to swear to God on the Bible that you walked on the moon. You're a coward and a liar and a thief and a thief and a thief. Get the hell out of my house. Get the hell out of my house. Get the fuck out.
Why's you bitching like goddamn?
There is no terrestrial globe. The Earth is flat. That's the truth. I discovered this when I wanted to go to the moon to find evidence of man landing there, but I found out that this was also a lie created by the government to hide the truth. In fact, it's all very obvious.
I came to bring the final judgment.
That's Jesus!
This is the day I resurrect the dead, judge humanity for its sins, and end all existence.
He just said he'll resurrect an army of zombies who want to destroy the planet and end all humanity.
Well, he's probably doing it for a good cause, you know, to like save us all. That's very Jesus-like.
Actually, 99% of humanity will burn in hell.
Burn in hell. Burn in hell.
Prepare for the final judgment.
How would I know he was really gonna do that?
'Cause he said he would.
But also he said you were going to heaven.
You fell for that?
Now what?
It's a commonly held misconception that the Earth is a spherical object that revolves around the Sun. But the fact is, of course, that the Earth is a circular dish surrounded by a barrier of ice.